Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Kapoor. I've been told that the roster of today's deliberation is Article 14 and Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Friends, the Constitution framers were in the know of the onerous nature of their job and consequential responsibility when they went about their job. The documentation, when legitimized by legislation, had to cater to the needs of a nation which had been under colonial subjugation for centuries. The need at that point of time was to put in place provisions which would ensure the ushering in of a society where the citizens could live with dignity and equality. The rule of law enshrined in the Constitution is one such principle which stands tall amongst a host of other provisions put in place for the health of a democracy whose citizens consist of unequal people, unequal economically, unequal educationally, and unequal in social placement intricacy. The pure and simple implication of rule of law is that all are equal before law. Friends, the poverty, illiteracy, and social inequality of a litigant must not be an impediment in the grant of justice, even if he is pitched against a mighty opponent, mighty economically, academically, politically, or otherwise. As budding lawyers or judicial officers, you would be projectors and protectors of the interest of needy litigants. It would be your pious duty to ensure the prevalence and reiteration of the rule of law. You would thereby also ensure that none is deprived of the fundamental rights of liberty except in due course of law. I am of the distilled view, my dear friends, that if the justice delivery system was, of course, is robust enough, it would not take decades for the rectification of the judgment in ADM Jabalpur's case. It is not for nothing that the destiny has chosen to be in the field of law. You may decide to join the bench, join the corporate law, or join advocacy. It's your pious and religious duty to ensure that the rule of law prevails and the citizens are able to live a life of dignity in our great country. Jai Hind.